In today's video, we'll be completely disassembling an old laminating machine. We'll explore its heating system, roller mechanism, gear assembly, and internal wiring. Let's get started. Removing the outer cover. First, make sure the machine is unplugged for safety. Now remove the screws on both sides and the plastic cover will come off easily. Once the cover is removed, you can clearly see the main components: the heating block, pressure rollers, temperature circuit, and the motor section. Detaching the heating unit. Next, let's remove the heating unit. The heating bar is usually held in place with 2 screws. After removing them, you'll notice a nichrome heating element, a thermal fuse, and a temperature sensor connected to it. In older machines, these components often develop carbon deposits or corrosion, which results in uneven or insufficient heating. Removing the roller system. Now we move on to the roller system. A laminating machine typically uses 2 rubber rollers, 1 heating roller and 1 pressure roller. Both rollers are mounted on metal shafts and supported by side bearings. Once the screws are removed, the entire roller assembly slides out smoothly. Gear and motor section. Next, let's inspect the motor and gear section. This machine uses a small DC motor, which drives the rollers through a set of gears. In older machines, the plastic gears often wear out or lose teeth over time. Removing the motor reveals the internal rotor and the carbon brushes as well. Wiring and circuit board check. Now let's take a look at the circuit board. It usually contains the temperature control circuit, power indicator LED, heating element connections, motor control line with diodes or resistors. Old machines often have loose, burnt or cracked wires, which can interrupt normal operation. Conclusion. And that's how you can fully disassemble a laminating machine, step by step. Cleaning or replacing the worn-out parts can bring the machine back to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.